Hello mga kawan! Welcome back to our channel. Today's vlog is extra special because we were celebrating one of our lovely buyers who made a big move toward their dream home. Back in April, they officially reserved a beautiful and smart 2-story townhouse right here at PTC Santos 2, located at Barangay Carsadang Bago 1, Imus, Cavite. This community is perfect for families looking for comfort, convenience, and smart investment for the future. With modern design, built-in security, and energy-saving features in a strategic location close to school, malls, and transport hubs. It's everything you could ask for in a starter or forever home. To our dear buyer, thank you so much for your trust and confidence. Your journey to homeownership has officially begun, and I couldn't be more excited for you. I know you're going to love living in Santos too, and I am here with you every step of the way, from reservation to turnover.